Hi guys, today we are going to solve the project of class 4, that is calculating area and perimeter of a square. It means designing a geometry calculator. That project has been given to you in your class 4 advanced class. So first of all, go to code.org and sign in with your account. Then just on the right side of the screen there's create. Go to create and click on app lab. Let the page load. In this page you can see there are three parts. First one, the left one, is the area or the screen where the app will run, and in the mid section there are tools, commands, functions that you can use for coding, and the right side, the blank space, is your workspace. So before beginning we must know that there are 4 steps of app creation. The first one is you must know the purpose of the app, what you are designing. Then design the app, the designing of placement of buttons and labels, and third one, then you will code the app, and the last one is the testing the app. So we are going to design a geometric calculator that will calculate the area and perimeter of a square. So first purpose is clear. Now second is designing the app. For designing the app we have to go here on the design tab, and we will take first of all the label. We will place here the label, and we will place one text input box. Okay, so in the text label we have to change the property of the text so that the user must know what he has to do and where he has to do. So just type here, enter the length of any side of the square, and go down, and here in text alignment make it center, and also enlarge that label so that all the text are visible. You can also increase the font size for better visibility, and then just align it in the center, this input box. Okay, it looks good now. Now the user will input here the length of any side of the square. Now we will need a button here to get command, and we must rename the button. Rename it to calculate. Now we need a result area. So first of all, label, we want 2 results. So first one is area and second one is perimeter. So rename it, change the text to area. Okay, and for result place another label in front of this one, and don't forget to correctly resize it. Okay, now the second result we need is perimeter. So take another label and put it below that area, and don't forget to rename it to perimeter. And we will need another label for the result, showing the result of perimeter, that is here it is. And again resize this box by just dragging it a little bit. Okay, now the result label should, the ID of the result label should be renamed for easier coding. So we will rename it to area result, and the second one, the perimeter result label, change the ID to perimeter result. Now we are ready to go for coding line. So click on the code, and as you know, first of all place the command on event. So click on the drop down and select here button 1. When the user presses the button 1 clicks, then what should the computer do? Set text, show the result. So set text for showing the result. Okay, set text where? In this area. Yeah, ID is area result, so I will change the ID to area result. Okay, yes, here area result, it is on the top. We have to put perimeter, so again once more set text. Okay, change this ID to perimeter result. Now the computer has been asked to show the results of area result in this area, the area result and perimeter result. Okay, now what the computer will do? The computer has to calculate, so we have to put here math formula. So we will go to math and pick a multiplication and places on the text, another for perimeter calculation. Okay, so in the first, what we need the input given by the user. So here is input, text input. So here we need get number. Get number from where get number? Get number from text input 1, and again get number, yes, from text input 1. So the computer will show the result by multiplying the input 2 times. Now for perimeter we have to multiply the input by 4 times. Okay, so first of all we will place the get number here and change the ID to text input 1 and here digit 4, so that the computer will get the number from the user and multiply it by 4 and show the result in perimeter result area. I think this is done. Now you can change the design here. You can change the background color of your choice. Here I'm just showing you how you can do this. Always remember that if the background is in light color, the text must be in darkest color. So let us run this. So we clicked on the run and we are putting the input. Just I have given 6. Calculate. So 6 6 are 36 and 6 4s are 24. Here is our calculator running in fine. So once again recap what we have done in coding. We have just placed on event command, on event button 1. When the user presses the button 1, that is calculate, when the user clicks it, computer has to do set text. It means show the text. Show the text where? In this area for area result and in this area for perimeter result. And for area result we have given it math function multiplying times. First one input digit and second one is input digit for calculating area, and the next one we get the input from text 1, that is here the user is giving, and multiply it by 4. So it is very simple. Just remember that set text is to show the result, and when you get number from input you have to set the get number command. Okay, so hope you will do better in the project. Till then, bye.